Planting tips to protect our trees from strong winds. Group planting. When trees are planted in groups, they protect each other during strong winds. Kaya during strong winds, dulo lang ang napuputol. But if you plant it individually, pwedeng mabuwal ang buong puno. Pruning and bending techniques to keep the trees short.
Here, we cut the main. We cut the main one. This is the branch one. Then,
Branch already.
Yeah, when the size grow, we will cut the branch. We will cut all together. If we cut all, sometimes the tree lack of growing.
Yeah.
They will not grow as quick as we need. Some tree, I bend it down like this.
Why?
I want to make it short. It's easy to be broken. Then I bend it. I bend it now. To not let it grow tall, I bend it like this because I don't want it to grow tall. It's already heavy. Then, if you can do this from one tree, it will be equal to 5 to 10 trees you grow, because we can make the branch grow on side. Bend until the branch touches to the ground. It takes years to be. When it start growing, the young branch grow on the main branch.
Yeah.
Will be a trunk. Yeah, when the branch touch to the ground and grow root, it will be like many trees.
Sayang ang inyong mga punong kahoy kung mapuputol ito, lalo na't malapit na ma-harvest. Kaya sundin ang mga paraan, steps how to protect your trees. For more tips and guidance, grab a copy of our manual now so you will know what to do when pests and viruses attacks your trees.